Here that image to edit. So let's edit the image by using the features of Photoshop. So you can choose the posterize option, increase the level of posterization, then go to the curve to get some further reality into the picture. Here is the camera raw filter to use and pick up some different visuals. So it's an auto. Add some amount and the radius details and making mask. So here is the camera to add some tint and saturation. There, primary blue. It looks like an art. We will get further addition into that art. Let's wait for it. We are going to generate some art there. So here is the history brush tool. We can remove these effects we have. Thank you for watching.